The Huawei Sound X combines rich audio quality and intelligent tech to bring you the most immersive surround sound experience that leaves a lasting impression. Let's take a look. Decked out in a glossy black finish, the Sound X speaker packs in a clever tech from the premium French audio brand Devialet, known for their incredible sound. The cylindrical design blends seamlessly with the mesh grille bottom that houses 6 evenly spaced tweeters to give listeners an all-encompassing 360-degree field of sound no matter where you place the speaker. The speakers can intelligently detect proximity to walls and will adapt their sound profile based on whether it's kept in the middle of the room or in a corner. The Sound X packs dual subwoofers with 20mm amplitude and transmits 60 watts of power that can fill an entire room with loud and crisp sound detail. It comes with Devialet's revolutionary SAM technology that helps small speakers create a high-fidelity, low-frequency curve for deeper bass and bigger sound without losing their rich tone. It also toots Devialet's signature push-push design that cancels out vibrations at high volumes. So no matter how high the volume is, the Sound X doesn't shake or distort. Controls are housed on top of the speaker in a touch neon LED display that synchronizes to your music. You can also mute the speaker using gesture controls. Simply place your hand on top of the Sound X and it'll quieten down, which is handy if you need to have a quick conversation. Audio sharing from a smartphone to the Sound X is easy and simple thanks to Huawei Share. Just tap your Huawei phone against the Sound X to initiate seamless pairing and audio playback. The Sound X plays audio via Wi-Fi, a process that leads to much less data compression and fewer lags or latency issues than Bluetooth transmission. That is built on Huawei's self-developed technology, EMUI 10.1 multi-device control center that can transmit high-quality audio whether online or local from Huawei Sound X speakers to a Huawei smartphone. When you receive a call, the Sound X immediately pauses playback so you can use your phone to keep your conversations private. Playback resumes automatically as soon as you're done with the call. Alternatively, you can choose to answer via Bluetooth speaker and can play audio once again with a simple tap. The Huawei Sound X is available to purchase for 1,299 dirhams on Huawei's eShop, experience stores and across certain retailers in the UAE. You also get 3 months of VIP Huawei music subscription on every purchase.